That's very interesting because I'm somebody who always wanted to spend my time in the field to do the ground reporting because that is where you meet the player, see the action on your own, and then report it. And when I started my journalism in 2000, and then from 2000 to 2020, I was in mainstream media, two of the major Indian network. But what happened after 2015, the channels stopped sending reporters. So I was feeling suffocated because I was not feeling well in the desk. So I was thinking about quitting my job and then start freelancing, but I was not very confident. So I spoke to some of my seniors who were doing freelancing. So I asked them whether I will be able to sustain myself, and they told me, yeah, you can do that because I could do Hindi, I could do English, I can do TV, I can write both languages. So that was a big advantage, and also since I had already worked 20 years in mainstream journalism, so I have a good network of people.
ওয়ালটন এখন দেশের সীমানা পেরিয়ে পৌঁছে গিয়েছে 50টিরও বেশি দেশে। ওয়ালটন, ঘরে ঘরে বিশ্বজুড়ে।
And then I started, the moment I started in 2022, 2020, I went to New Zealand for the Indus tour of New Zealand, and that was a wonderful trip, 1 month trip. I had got a lot of assignment. The moment I came back, it was COVID, so I didn't know what to say. So next 6 months I had no job because I had already left the job. There was no work, so I had to survive on my PF and gratuity money which I had got. But I was never hopeless. I said, okay, if that is what the God has decided, let it be. And in any case, everyone was struggling. During my struggle was nothing. People were losing their lives and all that. So not getting work, it wasn't the priority at that time. So again, after everything settled down, 2022 England tour, India's one of tests in Edgbaston. So I went there. I had a couple of assignment. I went there and I started doing this YouTube's little bit seriously because some of them told me that you should do because you tell a story beautifully. So I just, as a trial, I did that, and some of the stories went viral. Then I was not supposed to go to West Indies, so I took the risk. I asked one of my friend that shall I put my PF money for West Indies because I had last time I had gone to West Indies in 2007, and it was 2020. And West Indies is one place I love that place because my first World Cup was there. So I have some emotional attachment with Caribbean ground. So I decided, okay, let's take the hunch, and I went to West Indies. I had no assignment. I landed in West Indies, and then I started doing YouTube. And fortunately, all these cricketers, I had followed their cricket from the under 19 because Rahul Dravid was a player, so he became coach. Rohit Sharma was there, Virat Kohli, all these players. So the moment Rohit and Virat were comfortable, it just gave the message to other young players, oh, this is a old guy, he has been a senior. If Rohit and Virat are, being respectful, then it all started, and I was really surprised that the kind of affection I got, I was not expecting. So what I will do, I will go, I will just see, watch, I will not go near the players. They would just say, how are you, because I was alone. So they will ask, you want water? Support staff will give me some food. I will get embarrassed. I say, no, I will manage. They would say, no, here you will not get Indian food. So those were the thing. Then again in 2023, I went to West Indies. This time Rohit Sharma, because Rohit is very jovial kind of person, Virat. So Virat and Rohit and Hardik were there during the presentation. So I was there just taking the footage. So Rohit dragged me and he took me and he told Virat, "Ki this is not our win. This is his win," something like that. And then Virat started laughing. There's Vimal bhai, this is your tour. I said, no, you guys will kill me with your goodness and kindness. I'm really so. There is a one picture which is with Hardik, Rohit, and Virat, and I am there. Yeah, and 1 decade back, Sachin and Dhoni came for my book launch. So on the one side, Sachin was there and there was Dhoni. So within 10 years frame, there was one frame of Sachin, Dhoni, and then Hardik, Rohit, and Virat. I think that for me more than anything is byline stories, interviews, countless. Those are the two pictures which my family is very proud of. And since then, obviously, I started touring all the tours. Players were very comfortable because I don't trouble them. I don't ask for information. I don't ask for breaking news. I don't ask masala news because I'm interested in human stories. So what is their inside story, the struggle, the inspiration. So I always believe that you can, through cricket, you can inspire, motivate. So that's in my idea. And luckily I have been very fortunate because Virat spoke during World Cup. Then Virat introduced me to his family. All these stories on the YouTube. Then Rohit Sharma, obviously, before retirement, he spoke for 2 hours, which is rarity. Rohit had never done such a long interview. So all these players, Ashwin. Then Ashwin became so comfortable. I'm doing a Hindi show with Ashwin, Ash Ki Baat. So all these things. So I'm really thank God and Indian cricket, all these guys who have supported a freelancer. Like they've been just kind and nice to me. And I think it's huge thing in a country like India where everyone is chasing them, everyone wants their attention, and they coming to you saying hello or whatever, giving you affection. I think it's absolute privilege. I'm very conscious of that. So the story is, if you go to our part of the world, like near closer to Bengal, so whenever there is your name, it will be stretched. Like Vimal becomes Vimalva. If it is Dhoni, it becomes Dhonia. It's a Kohli, to Kohliva, Rohitva. So what they say, they don't. It is a say of saying affectionately. So it was Mahendra Singh Dhoni because he comes from Jharkhand. So Dhoni would never call me Vimal or Vimal Kumar. So he will jokingly say, "Or Vimalva, kya hal?" So he would to say that, but people were not noticing it because I was working in a television channel. So Virat had seen that, the Dhoni calling me Vimalva. So Virat started calling, then Rohit started. So everyone started calling, oh, Vimalva, Vimalva. So suddenly, we are living in a social media world. The moment Rohit or Virat does anything, it goes viral. So that's the story. But it actually started with Dhoni saying this thing. I think it's very different from what we see political situation with Pakistan and Indian players' reaction. Yes, things are not as great as they used to be in the past, but when it comes to Bangladesh, sports and cricket, they are not mixing it. The Indian cricket team regards Bangladesh as a very competitive thing. They respect their players, and especially especially what happened in 2007 World Cup when India were out of. Since then, they never take Bangladesh lightly, and we saw T20 World Cup 2016. So some of the really great close matches. Yes, India's overall record is formidable, but they know that in Super 4, any team can beat anyone, especially in T20 format. Someone like Mustafizur Rahman, he has such a great experience. He has played with all these Indian players in IPL, lots of picks, understands the mindset. So they have respect for the Bangladeshi team. If you see on paper, man-to-man, form, history, legacy, obviously anyone will say, not only me as an Indian, even as a neutral guy, they will say, okay, India starts as favorite. But we have seen, you could say that how Oman stressed India. So if India were not at best, and then Oman stressed them. Even Pakistan gave you some hint, like you can put this Indian team under pressure. Pakistan is not a great side. So if Bangladesh believes in their ability, they have the players, Mehdi Hasan, Liton Das, so many players, and they have done it so many times, like they have troubled them. So why not? But obviously, as a neutral, I know this is going to be a very, very competitive match. I think Mustafizur, that is the one guy, a lot of experience. He has done well, left arm seamer.
IPL,
yeah,
so much so.
But he has a lot of variety. I think Mustafizur is respected, and Mehdi Hasan, he has been bowling. In fact, all your spinners, because these pitches are helping the spinners, slow pitches, and this Indian explosive batting lineup. So if you can just take the pace of the ball, it will not be that easy, because all these batters love the ball coming onto their bat, going for sixes. Whether it's Abhishek Sharma, Shubman Gill, Tilak, Hardik, Sanju, Surya, anyone. But the moment ball is like coming a little slowly, then it becomes a different ball game.
Thank you, Vimal.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.